What's up, homie? This is Macy. Some customers are curious about what other size we can beside LED sign. So today, let me introduce our door sign. If you are running hotels, hospital, this video can help you. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news about us. Let's go. Check this tile on my hand. Size is 32 cm. Gold mirror acrylic. We can make a gold crystal mark like this for you. This is the second type, clear acrylic, reserve side UV pattern. And the bottom is made of brushed aluminum plates. All of them can be installed by screw. What do you think of them? We have focused on providing size solution for 14 years. If you need size, just come to us. No matter when, we will try the best to provide the best size and service for you. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do that for us right now. Hit the like button and comment below. Life isn't perfect, but our size can be. This is LCSIGN in China. See you next time.